Oh. I want to show you guys the menu of what I got. So I got I had to. Seasonal sashimi small platter. This comes with the sauce and I wanted to try it. And then I got this signature udon style, and you can choose between this thick noodle or the regular noodle, udon noodles. And I got it in a mentaiko, uni, and ikura topping. I really wanted to try the carbonara, but maybe next time. They all look so good. Regular sashimi, sushi. I've always wanted to come and try this, and since I was around this area today, actually I'm in Siam Center. If you guys want to come and check it out. Never tried this place before. I want to try and venture out and try new type of restaurant that I've never tried before, to just give myself more variety and just to try new things, because I know that there are so many restaurants around this area, but I always tend to go to the same one, eat the same thing, you know, my comfort food. So today I'm going to try this creamy udon style thick noodle, and I'm gonna taste test it for you guys. The sashimi came first, of course, because it's easy, quick, and for preparation. Ooh, it's nice and cold. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and the sauce is already on it. Let's try it without ginger and the sauce, just the actual sauce itself. Oh my god, the noodle is so big. Oh my god. Okay, let me try it first. Oh my god, so good. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna do it justice. Look how big the bowl is. Look how big the bowl is. I got extra egg, extra ikura. I'm waiting for the uni. This hamachi in this ponzu sauce, I want to say, is so tasty. It's out of my, you know, spicy salmon sauce. I'm just gonna wait for the uni. Okay, now let's try it with this sauce. Wasabi and a little bit of the salad, which I believe is radish and a cucumber. Can I just show you this before? And then I got the ikura, which I don't think I'm gonna dump. And then there is the noodle. You know what? I'm gonna for texture, I should just leave it in. I was gonna take out the tempura bits, just a little. It's too much. Take that out. So there is seaweed in here. There is sauce. The sauce. I'm just gonna try the sauce. Can you guys see? Closer. Put that there. Look at that. Oh. I should stir it, huh? Sauce is all here. Here is the uni, you guys. You're supposed to put it. There we go. So can I just eat this now? I just want to eat the uni by itself. Oh man. The egg. Can you see the egg? No. Okay. Mix it all together. I feel like you need to see this. Look at that. Look how long the noodle is. Let's get the sauce. Music's kind of loud in here, so I don't know. Let's try it. It's creamy. Wow. I thought that the noodle would be too thick for the sauce. Do you know what I mean? Like not enough sauce. But you guys, the sauce is creamy. It's salty. It's like perfect for the cold udon noodle. What? 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 Wow. Oh. It's hard to eat though. They know what they're doing. Egg is still alive. And I'm digging that after. I am so loving this. Oh my goodness. I can't tell you how good this is. I like the spoon. It's so salty that I feel like I need to stir in the egg. Oh, guys. It's so good. I wish you guys could try this. Look at that. That's all the egg yolk up there. It's so rich though. The uni, salmon egg, ikura. But it's like different kind of saltiness though, this one. And then you got the actual egg. Oh. It's so different from what I'm used to. Look at that. Oh man. Wow. One word. Wow. I recommend this, you guys. If you're ever in Siam Center, come here and try this exact same noodle bowl with the uni, with the ikura. Oh, like if you like carbonara, tastes very similar to a carbonara. Creamy, milky, a little bit salty. Yeah. I can't fit the whole thing in my mouth. I gotta act like a normal human being out here, you know. And to think this was just right here the whole time. And I almost ordered two bowls. I asked the girl, how big is it? She goes, it's pretty big. Especially the thick noodle. Oh, I almost forgot to say, this is actually cold noodle. You know what? Let's just do this. It has this like amazing aftertaste. This though, you have to order this too if you come here. You can't even like taste the fish. The sauce is so good. I want to say overpowering, but it's not. It's just the sauce. Cucumber? Yeah, let's see. Yeah. Cucumber and radish. I think I said that already. I think this is ponzu sauce. Maybe I should ask. The piece with wasabi and I don't know what this is. Maybe that's the. I'm good. Done and done. Soaks so good. It soaks so much of the sauce in, so it's like good. It's tasty. It's like refreshing. Kind of tangy, salty. If you've had ponzu sauce, it's similar. Wow, that's good. Yeah, I spilled. Good thing I'm wearing black. These noodles are so filling. Like, wow. Did I mention this is a cold noodle? I think I did. I'm really tired today. So good. Remember how I told you yesterday I was supposed to go get running shoes? I couldn't find them. Didn't have it in my size, so I went to Central World yesterday. Today I'm gonna go, well after this I'm gonna go look for up there in Paragon and see what we can find. That's good. Like, hits the spot because it's so creamy.
The next day,
you guys, I am starving as usual. Oh my gosh, you know when you're starving, it's like going to the market. You just want to order everything on the menu. There you. I switched seats, you guys. Coconut water. What is this อะไรนะอันนี้อะไรนะ
ลิ้นจี่โซดาค่ะ
So it's lychee soda lychee So this came first This is octopus salad Of course you guys I always have to try my favorite I always order the same thing ขอบคุณค่ะ pork and then chicken wings and then of course I got my famous the usual salmon salad หมดอยู่แล้วพลอยมือนี้เขาไม่ต้องถือ
จานไม่ใหญ่จานไม่ใหญ่
I'm gonna try this firstน้ำลายไหลอ่ะแซ่บปะอร่อยไหม
แดกกูเลิศ
ฮะ
น้ำปลาแดกกูเลิศ
ไม่มีผิดหวังแซ่บลองเอง so she said this is a little chewy so there is lettuce not lettuce lotus root on here too พอดีเผ็ดเนาะพอได้อยู่
รู้สึกว่าเหนียวรู้สึก
หอมๆเลยว่าแซ่บๆถ้าถือร้านบดีเนี่ยมันขมเลยลองเลยบอกแซ่บๆหวานดิ
ตัวไม่ผิว
ดิอันนี้ก็คิวบ่ลองเลยบอกลองกันเบิ้ง
แต่คนที่แบบเคยกินแล้วไม่ผิวแต่พี่ก็กล้ากินอีกเลย
ลองเบิ้งว่าตะกี้เอ้ยก็บ่เคยกินอันหอมๆแบบนี้เด้มันแบบเหลือต้องเอาแซลมอนไปน้ำตัวน้อยค่ะพี่ว่าบ่เถื่อนบาร์บีคิวพอร์ก
เราค่อยกินมันจะแบบขึ้นจมูกเลยแบบแล้วแบบ
อันนั้นหัวหอมขาวอันนั้นบ่แซ่บ
เรียกว่าหมักเลยสองชิ้นแล้ว
อุ้ยมันนุ่มอ่ะ
มันนุ่มแล้วมันแบบไม่ค่อยมีมันเลย
อุ้ยแซ่บนะขอสูตรเขาเนี่ย
อยู่ที่หมูขายใส่หมูดี
กับอันนี้ปลาเบิ้งเดอร์มาเสือไงเขาคอไปกินกันเลยSo a little salty this one. Crap. Crap. The onion here is so sweet. so soft. Look at that. Doesn't even feel like I'm eating pork. Mm. หมู
จะไม่ไหลออกจากการไปนี่สิข้อหก
Man, yeah, chicken's a little salty. Pork, good. Octopus, good. Salmon, always good.
12 seconds later.
Pancake.
เสี่ยว
This is what I had when I was with my mom. And then when I didn't film, this is toasted cheese with ice cream with a lots of butter on top. It is so good.
สตรอเบอรี่ดี
Wow. So good. Like, look at that. Mm. ต้องเอาทุกอย่างนะ หวานเค็ม และขนมปังมันนุ่ม
แต่ไม่เคยเขาลูก
Cheers.
Takes up to 15 minutes.